All right, now comes the most interesting part of the day. Here we get 9 figures. Here we get 9 figures. This is 2. Here we get 9 figures, and out of these 9 figures, you have to make a group of 333. Now, in this group of 333, there will be some similarities in all the 3 members of a group. You have to find that similarity out and group them accordingly. Meaning, if I say that 7, 8, and 9 are same, then 7, 8, and 9 should have some similarity in them. If they are not having any similarity, then it is not the correct answer. Like this, okay? And give me the logic also. Those who are giving me the answers, I will only consider it if you type something as a logic. Why is that the correct answer? What is the group? What's the group made up of? Which type of figures? Very good, Swarnim. That's the right answer. I mean the right logic. Say Shivansh.
Ma'am, I cannot understand this.
I said if I make a group of 1, 2, 3, then there should be something similar in all the 3 figures. Do you find anything similar in these 3 figures? No? No. So that means option B is wrong because it says 1, 2, 3. Option A is also wrong because I don't see anything common in 7, 8, 9. So even that is wrong. Now look at option number D, Shivansh. 1, 6, 9. 1, 6, 9. Is there a similarity between the figures there?
Yes, sir.
What is the similarity?
They are rotated and sides are also, but there are triangles only.
Triangles only. Perfect. So can I put them in one group, Shivansh?
Yes, sir.
Now go for the other group. 3, 4, 7. What happens in that? Very good, Shivain. Very good, Meera and Swarnim. Very nice, Dhruv. Very good, Harnet.
And that all have 4 corners.
4 corners are called as quadrilaterals. Quadrilaterals. Yeah, correct. And the last figure, last 2, 5, 8. Very good, Meera Shivan. Good, Leelagan.
Ma'am, in 258, there are 6 more.
5 figures, 5 sides. Count it and tell me 5 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 sides, no, Shivansh?
Yes, sir.
So
All
5-sided
have 5
figures are called
sides.
pentagons.
Okay, I understand.
Thank
Okay.
you. All right. Thank you so much. Very good, Kirtana. Very nice. That's the correct logic, everyone. So 169 makes a group because all of them are triangles. 347 make a group because all are 4-sided figures. That is quadrilaterals. And 258 are all same because they are pentagons. Okay, 5-sided figures. Now let's do a similar question. And here comes the first chocolate question. So finally, Navya was waiting for the chocolate questions, and here we have it, Navya. Easy chocolate question for all of you. Well done, Swarnim. Very good, Meera. 15 minutes are left. Jian, very good. Shivain, Harned, very nice. Neelakant, Krishan, Shivansh, perfect. Okay, Meera, very nice. That's the correct logic. Kirtana, correct answer. Good. Vyana, Dhruv, Aditya, answer. Correct, Dhruv. All right. Ronak, answer. Very good. Correct, Ronak. So Viana has not answered yet, and so has Aditya also not answered. Shankar, okay, Shankar left the meeting because he has another class. So fine. Now. Any doubts? Aditya, correct answer. So only Viana has not answered. Viana, what's the problem in this question?
Ma'am, I'm not able to understand what they've written.
I'll not take this time. You did this question with me, Viana, just few minutes back.
Okay, ma'am.
No, okay, no. Okay is not a solution. Viana, you will go and then you will say you did not understand anything. I will not take that. Listen, we did this question. What is this question asking you to do? Read it, read.
A question figure X is given followed by 4 complex option figure is such a way that the question figure X is
Embedded. And did we discuss the meaning of embedded figures, hidden figures? Remember?
yes.
Yeah. So where this part is hidden in any of the 4 options. Did we do this type of question before?
No.
No. What is this, Rihanna? Did we do this question before?
Yes, ma'am.
Did we do this question before?
Yes, ma'am.
So what is the difference between these questions and the question which I showed you right now?
That
You have to
hidden
find out,
figure.
yeah, where is this figure present in these options? You have to find that out.
Yes, ma'am.
Look and find and search and tell me the answer in the chat. Or now only you tell me. Look at the figure and tell me.
Option A.
Perfect. So what is the doubt here? You tell me. Did I help you anything? Anywhere? No. You did it yourself. Sometimes people just look at the length of the question and are afraid of reading things. Do not be afraid of reading things. If you read things, half of your question is solved. Okay. And this is not a note just to Viona, it's a note to everyone. You all need to read the question. Please do not run away from it because it's a long one or it's a complex one. Read it and only then you can make it easy. Okay. Fine. All right. Now let's do, so the answer is option A because this figure is exactly present over here. So no doubts over here. Now let's do the second chocolate question. This is very, very interesting and a nice tough one. Not tough, but tricky. Very good, Meera. First correct answer. Try to see what is the relation between each of them. See, I'll go with all the wrong attempts. Okay. No, no Swarnim, no Jian. That's not correct. So let's start with the wrong attempts. Okay. So let me unmute Swarnim first. Wait, Meera. Just a second. Swarnim, where are you? Here. 1 second, Ronak. Swarnim, look. Why is 4, 5, 7 equal?
Ma'am, because in 4 there is a triangle, 5 there is also a triangle, and 7 there is also a triangle.
Good. 3, 1, 2.
3, 1, 2.
What is common in 3, 1, 2? 1 and 2 have petals in it, but 3 is not having any petals in it. Then,
Yes, ma'am.
okay, so when you make a group, try to make a group in such a way that all of the groups are formed correctly. Jian, same for you, okay? Now, 1 second, Meera. Okay, Ronak was saying something. Say, Ronak.
Ma'am, actually, I didn't understand this question was of finding one because it said in the following question, group of three given figure to 3 classes use each figure only once.
You have to use each figure only once. That means if you are making a group of 1, 2, 3, you cannot use 3 in any other figure. 3, 4, 6. That is the meaning of the sentence. Okay, Shiven, please say.
Well, actually, I wanted to explain this question in the end.
Let me see your answer first. Where is your answer? Where is your answer? Yeah, Shiven, that's correct. Okay, I will do that. Say, Meera.
Ma'am, I checked the options and I got 137. One has three shifts,
Oh,
3 has 3 shifts, and 7 has 3 shifts.
didn't ask you to reveal the answer, Meera. That's not the way. Please. Should ask, like just now Shiven said that. How did he said? He said that he wants to explain at the end. So you should also do the same thing. You just came up and said the answer. So many people have not given the answer yet. What happened, Leela?
Ma'am, I have given the answer in chat box.
Why are you wearing the specs like that? Yeah, Kirtana, just give me some time. I'm talking to the kids, right? I just need some time to read the chat box. Please give it a few minutes. Okay. So, where was the answer? Here. So Meera correct, Swarnim wrong, Jian wrong, Kirtana correct, and then Shivansh correct, Harned wrong, and Leelakant correct, Shiven correct, Jian drove wrong, Shivansh correct, and then Swarnim correct, and fine. Now have a look over here, everyone. So what happened, Navya? Explanation? I'm explaining. Don't
Yes,
worry.
ma'am.
Yeah, I'll explain. Harned, what happened?
Ma'am, I didn't understand how I'm wrong.
Yeah, you tell me. Why is 3, 5, 6 correct?
3 has 3 and 5 has 4.
5 compartment.
5 has 4.
What 4?
3 has 3 and 5 has 4.
What 4? Has 4 what? 4 what? Compartments. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Triangles.
There are 5 triangles. Count properly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Okay.
And then the next one, 6 has 5. So the 3, 5, 5. And then 8, 7, 4. What is the similarity in 8, 7, and 4? 8 and 4 are single figures. But what will 7 do here? Nothing. Okay. So now, Navya, just a second. Shiven, come up and explain this quickly. You have only 1 minute and then I'll explain the question.
My option was C because 1, 3, and 7 only have 3 compartments.
Very nice.
Said.
Correct. Compartments means the spaces, people. So what Shiven is saying is 3 points or 3 spaces in figure 1, 3 spaces in figure 3, like the full figure 3 is divided in 3 spaces, and same is figure 7, which is divided in 3 spaces. Now tell me what is similar in 8, 9, 4, Shiven?
4 are single shapes, ma'am.
Single shapes. So no division, only one like single figure. Yes. And
2, 5, 6 have 5 compartments.
Very nice. 5 spaces, 5 compartments, and that makes it the correct answer. Very good, Shiven. That's a nice explanation. Others, do you find it now? Understand? What's the logic? Navya, write a yes in the chat. Others? Done? Okay, fine. So see, these things can be tricky, but you have to always pay attention and try to figure out it in such a way so that everything falls in the same group. Okay, fine. Everyone understood it. Don't tell me later that you did not understand. If you did not understand, please tell me now. No one is raising hands, so I assume that everyone understood. Okay. Yes, fine. Now one more question. That's the last question for the day. How many triangles are present in this figure? You can use the shortcut and then ma'am will show you the actual method of counting also. Very good. Swarnim with the first correct answer. Aditya, no. Check it again. Meera with the second. Kirtana with the third. Krishant, no. Then we have Shiven, fourth correct answer. Leelakant, wrong. Navya, wrong. Shivansh, wrong. Harnit, fifth correct answer. Jian, wrong. Vyana, wrong. Aditya, wrong. What was the shortcut? Divide it into equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4. Add up all the parts. Good, Shivan. Add up all the parts. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. No, Ronak. Now it's correct, Leela, Jian, and Aditya. Good. The shortcut says you to add up all of this, which will give you a 10. Good, Krishan. Now we'll see how is this possible. Yes, Navya, say.
Ma'am, I have raised my hand because I'm not able to understand second question.
Second,
I have raised my hand.
I did not see it then. Anyways, now you have to wait for this question to be over, then I'll go back. Vyana, what happened? Which question?
Ma'am, same for me also.
Second question. Why are you people so late? Okay, fine. So here no one has a doubt, right? In this, how will we get 10 figures, 10 triangles? Because 1, 2, 3 and the fourth one needs to be like this. Fourth is here, okay? Now the fifth triangle will be 1 and 2. So 1 and 2 gives you the fifth triangle. 2 and 3 gives you the sixth triangle. 3 and 4 gives you the seventh triangle. Okay. Now we'll move for bigger triangles now. So bigger one is 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3 together. 1, 2, 3 will give you the eighth triangle. 2, 3, 4 will give you the ninth triangle. And the 10th one will be the outer one, bigger one, which is 1, 2, 3, 4. So that will be the 10th triangle. So that is how you get total equals to 10 triangles. Okay. Now going back to question number 2. All of you pay attention. Navya, Vyana, raise your hand. So this is the correct answer. Why is it the correct answer? Because what's the similarity in 1, 3 and 7? 1 has 3 parts in it, 3 compartments, right? 3 also has 3 parts in it, Navya, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Vyana, when I'm asking you to raise your hand, and why don't you do that? Vyana, now please answer if you're understanding or not, okay? So
Yes, ma'am, I'm
figure 1,
understanding.
figure 1 has 3 parts, figure 3 has 3 parts, and figure 7 also has 3 parts. Look, so 3 parts makes this as one pair. Now what is the similarity in 8, 9 and 4? Look at this. 8th one is this figure, 9th is this, and 4th is this. All are single figures, only one part in them. Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Now
Yes,
the
ma'am.
third one. Third one is 2, 5 and 6. 2 is here. 5 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 parts in these figures makes it a pair. Understood, Riona? Group.
Yes, ma'am. Now understand.
Thank you.
Ma'am, but
Yes, Navya.
this is another method to do this.
Why?
Because in this first question, we do with making the shapes same.
But that is the logic, no, Navya. You can't have the same logic in every question. Then there will be no point of giving you the exam. The exam will ask you, see, what you need. What is the common thing here? The common thing here is that you will make a group. Now, how will you make the group? That is called as logic. And that is what you will have to find. It's just like coding, decoding, friends. In coding, decoding, you get different logics. You know that you have to find a relation between C and Q, but you do not know what will be the relation between that. You have to find that out separately for every question. So here also, you know that you have to make groups, but what will be the logic of making groups, Navya, will be different every time. Okay? Thank you, Navya. Any other questions, anyone? I'll ask the last question then. How was the class? And listen, I'll not be sharing any test today. We'll be sharing the test on the next Saturday. So remind me on next Saturday that we'll be ma'am, please share us the test. Okay, I'll share the test. You will do it on Saturday itself and we will discuss it on Sunday. Thank you so much, Shiven. All right, then we will wind up the class for today. Say, Meera. Thank you, Leela Khan.
This lesson is finished.
Yeah, this lesson is completed. You will also do the exercise of figures under reasoning. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. Say, Navya.
Ma'am, today is the Mother's Day.
Yeah, today is Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day to all of you. Do wish your mom, okay? All
I have
right,
wish in the
bye-bye.
morning.
Bye-bye,
I
ma'am.
wish that 12 midnight yesterday. Bye-bye.
Ma'am.